Hello and welcome to my channel Line Shapeform. In this video, I will show you step by step how to draw this drawing. Hope you have fun with this tutorial. To draw the head, we start with a circle. This drawing will be 3 heads high, so leave enough space below the circle. Draw a cross where you want the midline of the face to be. This is the vertical midline of the face. Since the head is flatter on the side, we cut off a slice of the sphere's sides and draw a vertical and horizontal midline on this side as well. Here we have the hairline. This vertical midline marks the brow line. Take the distance from the hairline to the brow line and use the same distance to put 2 more markings below along the vertical midline. The nose will be around here, and the chin would normally be here. But since the jaw will be wide open, we want to elongate the face. Let's draw the eyes, nose, and mouth first to see where to place the chin. The jaw connects to this center point. Extend these lines along the side of the head in perspective to see where the ears should be placed. Measure the head's height from the top to where the chin would normally be with the mouth closed. Put 2 markings below with the same spacing as the height of the head. As mentioned earlier, this drawing will be 3 heads high, and these markings will give you an idea of where to place certain body parts. Take this second segment and divide it into thirds. The clavicle is located on the upper third mark. Here we have the bottom part of the chest. And here we have the rib cage. The midsection. And the pelvis. The elbow is located approximately below the rib cage. Draw a curved line away from the body to see where it would be at this angle. I don't want the elbow right to the side, but pushed slightly to the back, so I will place the elbow here. We will foreshorten the left arm slightly. Hands are usually as long as the face, measured from hairline to chin, though female characters like this often have smaller hands. Since the hand here is in the foreground, I will draw them slightly bigger, around this size. Hands can be halved in height. The top half is for the fingers and the upper half is for the palm.